Good afternoon everyone. So beta, we will start with Paint 3D today. Paint 3D is a wonderful tool designed by Microsoft for drawing different tools. Now I will tell you how to open Paint 3D. So turn on your laptops or computers. First go on this option. First step is in the search box you have to type from the keyboard Paint 3D. See, I have typed here. Now you can see the icon for Paint 3D here. Click on this icon. Now see, Paint 3D is opening. Now it is creating a new project by default. Otherwise, if it does not create, then you have to select new option to open a new project. Now look at the next page. Here are the components of a Paint 3D window. See, these are the brushes, these are 2D shapes, 3D shapes. See, these are the components. These are stickers. Any text you have to write, you can write from here. These are the effects you can give to your drawing. And this is the canvas. Canvas selection means how you have to select your canvas area. Now see, this is the main area where you work, canvas area. Now see, brushes tool. Brushes tool displays the different brushes in the marker panel. This is the marker panel. This one. Now 2D shapes. If I click on 2D shapes, it will display different 2D shapes in this panel. And if I click on 3D shapes, it will show you different 3D shapes in this panel. It is used to draw 3D shapes and 2D shapes are used to draw the 2D shapes. Now see, page number 78, topic drawing a 2D circle. How we draw a 2D circle? First with your mouse pointer, see this is your mouse pointer. It is in the form of a plus shape. You will select the 2D shapes option. Here you have selected. Now in this panel you can see all the 2D shapes. You will select circle shape from here. See, I have selected it with the left mouse button. Now see, when I will bring it here, it changes into a plus sign and I will drag it from my mouse button. See, my circle is made. I can adjust it also like this. Now it has changed into two-headed arrow, mouse pointer, as I am changing or selecting the figure. Now see, now I have selected it. Now I want to fill color in it. How I will fill the color in it? Can anyone tell me? Now I will go to the fill group. See, solid color. Blue color is here. I have filled it and see it has given blue color here. I have clicked on the fill group. More colors are there. I can fill yellow color also. Now my circle is of yellow color. So this was the topic on filling of an object with color. Please practice it. Make your own videos. Any 2D shape you can draw. See, click on the 2D shapes. Now you can select any tool shape from here. You can also draw 3D shapes also. See, I will tell you. Now see, these are the 3D shapes. When you click on them, in this panel you will see many 3D shapes are there. You can choose any shape, like sphere you have chosen. This is cube, this is sphere. Click on the left mouse button and choose it. Select it. Now mouse pointer changes to plus button. Now drag your mouse pointer here. See, my sphere is drawn here. You can change the color options from here. Any color you can choose. You can choose any color and fill it in your sphere. Now see, brushes option. Brushes option you can choose from here. See, all the brushes are shown in this panel. Names will be displayed when you will take your mouse pointer on the brushes. This is a calligraphy pen for writing. This is a marker. This is oil brush. So let us choose this oil brush from here. Click left mouse button and select the oil brush. See, we are doing this topic, working with brushes tool. So many brushes are there, you can choose any brush. Now choose the color of your choice from here. I am choosing black color. Now when I will draw this, see, my oil brush is drawing the figure like this. So any line you can draw with your oil brush also. Now see, on page number 81, the topic is erasing a drawing. See, like suppose if I have drawn this by mistake and I want to erase it. So what you will do, first you will select the brushes option and then you will go on the eraser tool. See, this is your eraser tool. Select it with your mouse left button, then erase the drawing. You can also change the thickness of this eraser with this slider bar. It can be done less also, it can be adjusted. Like see here, this is drawn. Now you have erased its part, and from here you can change the thickness of this. Now let us start this topic, saving a drawing. How you will save a drawing? See, whatever work we have done on a MS Paint 3D, click on the menu, go on Save As option. Click on the Save As option. When you will click on the Save As option, it will ask you the options how you have to save your file. You will click on the image. As soon as you have clicked on the image, a dialog box, Save As dialog box will appear. Now save your drawing wherever you want to. I will save my drawing on the desktop, so I will select desktop option. It is untitled now. Give a name from the keyboard. Suppose I have given it the name Shapes. Now I will save it. See, it is saving in the format of .png. The extension is .png. Now I will save it. It is saved. Now it is saving the drawing. See, now my drawing is saved. With whatever name you have saved the drawing, the name will be shown here on the topmost corner.